ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can be used to generate a wide variety of text content, including articles, blog posts, stories, code, and even scripts. This makes it a versatile tool for generating passive income. Here are a few ideas on how to make passive income with Chat. Create and sell digital products. ChatGPT can be used to create a variety of digital products, such as books, online courses, and software. Once you have created a digital product, you can sell it on platforms such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Udemy, and Gumroad. Write and publish blog posts. ChatGPT can be used to write high-quality blog posts on a variety of topics. You can then publish your blog posts on your own website or blog, or you can submit them to other websites and blogs. Once your blog posts start generating traffic, you can monetize them with advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products and services. Create and sell social media content. Chat can be used to create engaging and informative social media content, such as tweets, Facebook posts, and Instagram captions. You can then sell this content to businesses or brands. Freelance writing. ChatGPT can be used to write a variety of content for clients, such as website copy, blog posts, articles, and social media posts. You can find freelance writing jobs on platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr. Create and sell chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots that can be used by businesses to provide customer service, answer questions, or generate leads. You can then sell these chatbots to businesses. To get started with making passive income with Chat, you will need to create an account and start generating content. Once you have generated some content, you can start looking for ways to monetize it. Here are some tips for maximizing your chances of success. Choose a niche. It is important to choose a niche that you are knowledgeable about and that you are passionate about. This will make it easier for you to generate high-quality content. Create high-quality content. Your content should be informative, engaging, and well-written. Promote your content. Once you have created content, you need to promote it so that people can find it. You can promote your content on social media, your website or blog, and other online platforms. Be patient. It takes time to build a following and generate passive income with Chat. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep creating high-quality content and promoting it, and you will eventually start to see results. Example, create and sell books. One way to make passive income with Chat is to create and sell books. Chat can be used to generate the content for your books, and you can then publish them on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. To get started, choose a topic that you are knowledgeable about and that you think people would be interested in reading about. Then, use Chat to generate the content for your book. Once you have finished writing your book, you can publish it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is a free platform that allows you to publish your books and sell them on Amazon Kindle. To publish your book, you will need to create an account and upload your book file. You will also need to set a price for your book and choose a cover. Once your book is published, it will be available for purchase on Amazon Kindle. You will earn a royalty on every sale of your book. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used to generate a wide variety of text content. This makes it a versatile tool for generating passive income. If you are looking for a way to make passive income, consider using Chat to create and sell digital products, write and publish blog posts, create and sell social media content, freelance write, or create and sell chatbots.